Unlock ancient wisdom, Hellenistic astrology journey. Unlock the secrets of the stars with Hellenistic astrology, an ancient practice that offers profound insights into the cosmic forces shaping our lives and destinies. Discover timeless wisdom through celestial guidance. Hellenistic astrology, with its rich historical roots, emerged during a vibrant era of intellectual exploration. It developed as a powerful tool for understanding human nature and the universe's influence on earthly affairs. Originating in ancient Greece and Egypt, Hellenistic astrology represents a remarkable fusion of cultural knowledge. These civilizations combined their astronomical expertise, creating a system to interpret the heavens' mysteries. Greek philosophy and astrology intertwined, offering a holistic perspective on the cosmos. This fusion provided a framework for understanding how celestial movements impact human experiences and spiritual growth. Key figures like Ptolemy and Vettius Valens were instrumental in shaping Hellenistic astrology. Their works laid the foundation for astrological thought, influencing generations and enriching the practice's depth and accuracy. Horoscopic astrology revolutionized the way people understood the cosmos by focusing on the creation of natal charts. These charts serve as celestial maps, capturing the positions of planets at one's birth. In Hellenistic astrology, natal charts are pivotal, offering a snapshot of the heavens at birth. They provide insights into personality, potential, and destiny, revealing the cosmic blueprint of an individual. The zodiac, a belt of 12 constellations, plays a crucial role in Hellenistic astrology. Each sign embodies distinct traits and influences, shaping the foundational energies that impact human lives. Planets in Hellenistic astrology are celestial messengers, each bearing unique meanings and energies. Their movements and positions are believed to influence personal attributes, behaviors, and life events significantly. Astrologers interpret personal destiny through the 12 houses, each representing different life aspects. These houses, combined with planetary placements, reveal insights into relationships, career, and spiritual growth. In Hellenistic astrology, essential dignities refer to the strength or weakness of planets based on their positions in the zodiac. These positions significantly affect the planet's ability to express its true nature. Planetary aspects are angles formed between planets, influencing how their energies interact. These aspects can enhance or challenge the planet's effects, shaping the nuances of a person's life experiences. The Lot of Fortune, a critical tool in Hellenistic astrology, provides insights into one's prosperity and health. Calculated using the sun, moon, and ascendant, it reveals life's potential opportunities. Time Lords are a predictive technique used to determine when certain planetary influences will manifest. By examining the Time Lords, astrologers can forecast life events with remarkable accuracy, offering guidance for future planning. Hellenistic astrology experienced a decline with the rise of other traditions but saw a resurgence in the late 20th century. This revival has sparked renewed interest in its rich, ancient techniques. Ancient techniques of Hellenistic astrology find new life in modern practices, offering insights into personal growth, relationship dynamics, and career planning. These timeless methods continue to guide individuals towards self-discovery and fulfillment. As curiosity about astrology grows, numerous resources are available for those eager to delve deeper. From online courses to classic texts, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be explored and embraced. Hellenistic astrology's enduring legacy lies in its profound impact on our understanding of life and destiny. Its wisdom, rooted in centuries-old traditions, continues to inspire and transform our perspectives today. By exploring your natal chart, you unlock a cosmic map to your soul's journey. This personal exploration invites you to discover hidden strengths and navigate life's challenges with newfound clarity. Like and subscribe for more cosmic insights, and start your astrological journey today. Embark on a path of self-discovery and empowerment, guided by the ancient wisdom of Hellenistic astrology, and unlock your true potential. Thanks for watching.